like the content on our YouTube channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, turn on the notifications, and we'll keep posting update videos of the vehicles we're building, of incoming inventory, all makes, all models, 50 to 70 vehicles arriving every week. We are the premier dealer, repairable car dealer in the Northeast. Right now, this is an update video on the 2021 Nissan Rogue Platinum that we were in the process of building. Right now, this is the finished product. We had the vehicle apart. We did a video with the entire interior part of it, and we were working on it, cleaning all the contacts, going through the vehicle. Actually took us a little while because we were waiting for the carpet to come in from the dealer. With all the supply shortages, sometimes it takes, a month or two to get all the parts that we need. This one we were just waiting for the rug, and we just reassembled the inside, and I wanted to show you guys what it looks like. But this is the engine compartment. The vehicle runs beautifully. There's no corrosion, no rust anywhere. All the fluids have been changed, all the filters have been changed. I'll do a quick walk around. This one turned out really nice. Really beautiful truck. Excellent car for somebody who's looking for a new vehicle and just doesn't want to spend the money. Could save 30 to 40% from buying this vehicle from us as opposed to buying one new. It is the new body style Platinum edition, which means it's a fully loaded model. Sorry for the video, it's a little tight in here. Too many cars, not enough time. Panoramic roof. This one turned out really nice. We'll take a look inside. Start in the back. As you can see, the interior turned out beautifully in here. Smells brand new. That's why we changed the carpet, because sometimes they hold a little bit of an odor if they're damp. This one smells brand new inside. Nice cross-stitch leather. Look at that. Brand new. We'll post it on the website soon. We offer financing on our rebuilt vehicles. We deal with an excellent bank. They offer great rates as long as you have good credit. If you like this vehicle, give us a call. Thanks.